Eto na pala mga par yung laro natin nung isang araw. Ganda ng naging papawis natin dito eh. Pati nga betlog ko pinawisan eh. Joke lang po. So please wash dish. Kung ayaw nyo naman, skip dish na lang. Yun lang. Alright.
Sabi ko naman, nilaglag ko na agad si Arnold. Sabi ni Arnold eh.
Yeah, something went wrong. What's this?
Ito na ako. Hindi mo, sabi. Yun! Ay!
I got the ball back. I got the ball back. Okay.
Make it. Kirsty, make it. Make it. Make it, Sam.
Hihina ako. Uy. Dugo? Good? Ay, tapos! Dapat? Yeah! What the heck? Uy!
Bro's cracked. The fuck? Easy go, easy go. Wait, Ali, I'm following me. You must have. Oh my god! Oh my god!
Alright, Jade. Rest muna ha.
Yeah. I don't know.
Move, move!
Ayo.
Can I try?
What?
Hey! Hey! What kind of hand is that? He just handballed that. Get it?
So game, para tuloy-tuloy pa, Wes. Game na?
Naka-adjust ka na pre. Tambakan mo na ras.
You know what to do.
Sabi kayo. Kayo pala. 2-6. 2-4. Okay, tira. Ayaw pare.
Where you going? And somehow I missed.
Kertil. Ano kertil na? Oh. Kabayan yan. Ngala na 7 tas 9. Ay na. Okay, maganda. Uy! Ayun tayo. Nice. Thank you guys. Nice. Nice game. Good. That's yours?
Nice game. Okay. At yan nga po nagtatapos ang aming friendship game. Yun lang. Salamat. Love you all. Mama Jup Jup. Alright.